Hey guys, I'm back. Just vlog. I didn't go here. Okay guys. Then I'm gonna go to, let me see, check. Guys. This is how they look like. This is boring. Let me go another game to play. Ooh. Let's see for here what we have here. Okay, so we're gonna go. Let me show you. So we're gonna walk from here. Oh my god. Okay, I come up. Then I gonna go like. Guys, let's shake. Let me go sit down a little bit. I'm tired. Let's go. So guys, I'm sitting down a little bit here because I'm tired and I film everything. Oh guys, this is the nice thing to see over here. So beautiful. The trees, look. So beautiful here. You can walk. I'm gonna show you the trees, guys. I'm gonna show you something here and then we're gonna go play the same game we play. There's no so much something fun here. That's okay. There's a swimming pool here for ducks. So beautiful and shiny. I want to eat them. Oh guys, this is how I look. I'm scared. Oh my god. Look guys, this is how it looks like. So beautiful. So we're gonna go to this game a little bit in the slide again because so much fun. So I don't want to slide. Oops. Okay, let's go again in this slide. Okay, guys. This slide again. Okay, let's go. I'm really gonna scream so bad, guys. What? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my god. Guys, we're gonna go this slide again. I'm gonna try this. I'm here. Oh my god. Oh guys, again, guys, I'm sorry if there's something. So again, build this up. Watch.